Go back out there, Bobby. Go on. I want to get you in your swim trunks. Go. Swim trunks in the rain.
Get out of the street, Mom.
Kylie, get out of the street. Get out of the damn street.
I get soaked though. More sweat afterwards. Can you do like a big puddle like you jumped in?
That's a big puddle right there.
Yeah! Oh, I'm jumping in. Oh! My pants is sagging like Justin Bieber! You see that? We're sagging like Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber.
Oh my god, this one's going on Facebook.
Give me the towel for a sec.
What do you think, Liam? They're crazy? Oh my god. Did you hear that?
Oh, that was like right there. Did you see that? It was like a straight streak across the
I
drive.
know. You just want to get hit by lightning.
I can't believe that guy said hi to me when I was like...
Listen.
This is the part where the magistical monkey comes in from Simba.
Then he gets struck down by lightning.
Yeah.
Well,
Where he's just
looking at
like,
that fight.
be wise with the way that you run